Everything you know about your body is a lie. This is literally my own blood cells under my microscope. We call them red blood cells. But wait, do they look red to you? They are totally orange. Is this the scam of the century? Let's find out. This is a single red blood cell. It's super thin, so thin that light just passes right through it. Because of this, it looks like a pale, yellowish orange straw. So, why is blood red when we bleed? It's all about the stack. One cell is orange, but when millions of them stack together, they block all of the light. Only the deep red color can pass through. It's like Netflix. One pixel is just a color, but the whole screen shows a movie. Meet the red blood cell. It looks like a tiny donut without a hole. Why? This shape helps it carry oxygen from your lungs to your toes. Inside my cells is hemoglobin. It has iron in it. That iron grabs oxygen and gives the cell its color. Basically, our blood cells are like Amazon delivery drivers, but instead of packages, they deliver life. And they never drop your box on a porch. But look at this. What is this giant white monster among my orange donuts? This is my white blood cell, and unlike the red ones, these guys actually match their name. They are the security guards of your body. They hunt down bacteria and viruses. They work harder to protect your body than a Costco employee checking receipts at the exit. Absolutely no entry for germs. So, your blood is actually a massive army of orange oxygen drivers and white security guards. Science is wild when you look closer. What should we look at next under the microscope? Tell me in the comments. Hit that follow button and see you in the next micro adventure.